in March of 2020 during the COVID panic and the lockdowns. The economy came to a grinding halt. Everybody went home. We had the 15 days to stop the spread. There was a lot of anxiety in the economy. And then we saw interest rates get taken to zero. And it's almost like the economy just stopped. I mean, traffic stopped, cruise ships stopped, airplanes stopped, restaurants closed, hotels closed. Interest rates went to zero. And I was sitting in front of my pool in Miami Beach, and it was just dead calm. But I was watching CNBC, and in CNBC, at some point, it became clear that that if you actually were in Wall Street or you owned a bunch of financial assets, you're probably going to be okay. But if you're on Main Street and you're trying to actually do things like run a restaurant or a yoga salon, you were going to have a bad year. And so at that point I said, well, I have all this cash and it's worthless, like zero interest rates. And the central banker said, we're not even thinking about raising interest rates for 4 years. So you have a non-performing asset. And then I looked at the government basically printing money. I thought if we shut down the economy for 2 years, that's going to cost a lot of money. And that's going to get printed. And so I saw hyperinflation, coming at the end of those lockdowns. And I noticed my money was a melting ice cube. And I thought, well, I need to do something with the money before it becomes worth 40% less. And that's the point where I said to a friend of mine, so tell me about that Bitcoin thing again.